Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Morgan Christine. I live in Ohio. I have 2 kids. I am married. Today's video is going to be a little bit of cleaning at the beginning, and then I move to at the end is a recipe. It's a nacho recipe. I just got I filmed it actually today as I am editing this video. So if you guys like the recipe and do it, tag me in it on Instagram, and I hope you guys subscribe and make sure you turn the notification bell on. And I will stop talking and I'll let the music play. Later guys. I wanted to chat with you guys. My husband is still at work. That is so weird still saying. It's new to me. We just got married and it's been like 1 week so far. Engagement, married. But this video is going to be like a full like just little task that I'm doing. It's probably going to last until the weekend. Today's Wednesday, so about that, I done dishes that you guys will see after this. I'm introducing myself again. I am Morgan Christine. This is also going to be a stay at home tag. If you want to do the tag, I'll leave the questions down below in the description, and you can copy, paste, snapshot, and make sure you comment that you're going to do the video and tag me in it or tell me about it. I would appreciate it. Remember to subscribe. It's completely free. Just watch a full video, and then your subscribe will count. That's how YouTube kind of gets them added up. Also, right here, notification bell, turn it on. I usually post 2 to 3 videos a week. Right now, I'm only down to like 1 or 2. I'm trying to get on a routine. And I'm going to tidy up the bedroom. It is almost like past 7:30, but I want to make the bed so when he comes home from work, the bedroom's all cleaned up and stuff. But let's get started. My beautiful subscribers, sorry for the camera angle. My tripod is not doing too well. I'm in the kitchen because I wanted to introduce myself again. I am Morgan Christine. I am from Ohio. I'm 26, be 27 in December. I have 2 kiddos. One is almost 3 at the end of August. You guys will see a house clean, like probably the week of her party, and you're also going to see a video of decorating 2 for her party that will come up in the next probably 2-3 weeks from now, towards the end of the month. And then I have a bonus child. He is almost 5 in October. He is autistic. And I also do cleaning videos on here. I also do collabs. So if you guys are interested in ever collabing with me, let me know in the comments. I'm also going to start putting my email that I use for like collabs and stuff down in the description. Look in the description and it describes everything basically for you that contains for my channel. Sorry about my like appearance. It's been a heck of a time. I've had an injury to my shoulder that's still there, hurts, but I still have to focus on getting stuff done as well. I really want to do nachos, some like a nacho like supreme type thing. My husband is gone with his dad for a little bit, and my daughter is over at her grandma's, so I'm home alone. And I want to do some filming. I want to do some prepping. I want to do maybe 2 like fruit container type things, or like at least 1 fruit one, and then maybe a veggie like with some like meat and stuff for my daughter for this week, like a Lunchable style. And I also want to prep the meat for the nachos. I'm going to use half of it for the nachos and the rest for like tomorrow's meal. I'm going to be using, I'll put it in the bag. It helps with like leaking and stuff. It is all natural ground beef. It is 73% lean, 27% fat, and it is a 3-pound. So I'm going to cut it right in the middle for it. And then for The chips, I'm using Tostitos Original Restaurant Style. Is what it is. I'm going to pause for a minute, and I'm going to go get the cheese that I'm going to be using. Okay, I'm back. You could also use beans. I'm personally not going to use beans in mine, just because I don't like beans. My fiance does, but I'm the only one home, and I'm probably going to be the only one eating it until he gets home. So I'm using the Rico's Premium Cheddar Aged Cheddar Cheese Sauce. It's a 15-ounce can. I'm using 2 cans since they are medium. I'm going to keep these over the oven or on the stove top, so it's easy to like pour over. And yes, so I'm going to turn you guys on to stove, and let's get cooking some nachos.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. With me, baby. Feel like that. Bye.